So in this video, I'm going to be talking about remote work from home jobs. And in particular, this is going to be jobs for those viewers and subscribers in Nigeria. I mean, you can apply for these jobs and get these jobs in just about any country, but I keep getting the same comments over and over and over again that Eann, you're not posting enough jobs or any jobs that we can get in Nigeria. And I have posted jobs before that you can get if you're in Nigeria or any country, but sometimes people just don't watch the videos to the end. So they may watch the video and only see the first two jobs that I'm talking about, which aren't available in their country, when there are actually more jobs. So today, if you're in Nigeria or anywhere in the world, these are jobs that you can apply for, and these are jobs that you can get. Now in this video, I'm going to be talking about two jobs, and the first one is going to be a customer support voice agent, right? So this is full-time employment. You're working in customer service. Yes, you'll need to be on the phone, and this is any geography, right? So any location, it's worldwide. Here it says we are completely remote. You choose your favorite spot to work and help customers every day. And also, good thing here is they say work hard, learn, and we will be more than happy to help you advance in your career. So this is a job where you can actually get promoted and move up the ladder here if you work hard and learn. Now, here is what you'll be doing as a customer support voice agent. It says the customer service agent position is designed to help new and existing clients with producing seamless and professional customer service. So if you've ever worked in customer service before, then this is going to be a great opportunity for you. If you haven't worked there before, you can still apply for the job because this is entry level. They do have some requirements, and most of these you'll probably already have, but if you don't, still apply because you will be seriously considered for this position. So the requirements here are that one, you need to have a high school diploma or a degree or something of the equivalent. You need to have the ability to be calm when you're dealing with customers or, customers who are upset and stressed out. You need to have working knowledge of online communication tools, and you need to have 1 to 2 years of experience in customer support. Now, even if you don't have 1 to 2 years of experience in customer support, still apply for the job if you have most of the other requirements, okay? Also, if you have experience in handling e-commerce or SaaS business, that is a plus. If you've worked remotely before, that is also a plus. Great problem solving skills. You can work with minimum supervision. I mean, you'll be working from home remotely, so you won't have, like a manager trying to micromanage you. Open to working in shifts or different shifts. Also have a conducive remote working environment if you have like an office space or just some quiet area at home where you can actually work, because you'll be on the phone, so you don't want any noises and any distractions. You also need to have a stable internet connection with a UPS, probably a power backup, or maybe you have a laptop, so if the power goes out, you'll still be able to work. And you need to have 10 megabits minimum speed, and you also need 12 gigs of RAM, right? So pretty basic stuff here. The only thing, some people may not have the 1 to 2 years of experience in customer service or customer support. If that's you and you have most of the other requirements, still apply for the job, okay? So here are the responsibilities of the job, right? This is what you're gonna be doing here. And these are all things that you can develop while you're at the job, or you can condition your mind to doing these things before you actually get the job, right? I mean, provide amazing customer service. If you've never worked a customer service job before, that doesn't mean that you can't provide amazing customer service, right? So these are things that you can actually develop before you actually get the job, right? I mean, acknowledge and resolve customer complaints. They're most likely going to train you on what you need to learn to, properly do the job. So you don't need to worry about all that stuff. What you need to do is to apply for the job if you're interested. Now, this is what you need. You need to have a computer. Of course, you're working from home remotely. It needs to have at least 8 gigabytes of RAM, an i3 or above processor. You need to have a stable internet connection. This is the speed, this or more. And you need a power backup in case there is a power outage. Now, here's some of the benefits that they give. A remote work from home setup, you get paid time off and sick leave, you get maternity leave, you get upskill and knowledge sharing sessions, and they have online virtual social events. This is new to me, but I guess this works. So you're not working in a traditional company where they would have, social events in the office. So they're giving you virtual social events daily. A fitness class, a virtual fitness class, a virtual dance class, virtual coffee breaks, karaoke, and Cafe Friday. I mean, I guess that is Cafe Friday spelled differently. Also, you get a health stipend. So a lot of benefits here. This is full-time employment. So again, if you're worldwide, if you're not in the US or Canada, if you're in some other country, I mean, if you are in the US or Canada, you can still apply here, but worldwide, you can apply for this job. And if you are in Nigeria, yes, this job is hiring for Nigeria. So you can apply here and you can land this job. Now here, they didn't say how much this job actually pays. And I searched the internet to try to find out, but I couldn't find. But I was able to find really good reviews off this company, right? So this is LTV Plus. So I went over to Glassdoor, and like I said, there were no reported salaries for this company. However, the reviews here were really good and above average. I mean, the company has a 4.4 out of 5-star review overall, which is really great. Now, this is a US based customer care employee, and they say that LTV is a company that you can call home. They were really happy. It's a 5-star review. Also, there is another 5-star review here, it seems, and this is from someone working in the Philippines remotely, and they had really good things to say about LTV Plus as well. So again, worldwide job. And also went over to Indeed to see if I could find a salary. No salary is reported so far. If you have worked at LTV before, comment down below. Let me know the job that you worked, the position, what it was. Let me know how long you worked there, if you still work there, and also let me know what you were paid, or give us an idea of how much they're actually paying for this job. Now, with that said, over on Indeed, they had really good reviews here as well. Here's a customer service representative from Manila. They're actually a current employee. They say it feels like home. They encourage everyone to become a part of this truly amazing company. You love it here, and they're always hiring. Pros are the benefits, cons are none. So that was a 5-star review, and there's a 4-star review here. It says fun company. They're happy for working there. Pros, 3 months probation. Cons, too short a stay for me to see one. So this person must have worked in COVID, or it seems like they're current employee, but they're also from the Philippines. So again, worldwide job. If you aren't in the US or Canada, you can apply for this job and you can get this position. You can make some money. And again, if you've ever worked here before, you know anyone that works here, comment down below and give us an idea of how much they actually pay, because I could not find this info anywhere on the internet. No one that works there has ever reported what the salary was, but they have good reviews, so that's a good sign. Now, the next company I want to talk about is one that I've talked about here before, and this is Transcription. Now, if you've ever seen any of my videos where I talked about Transcription, yes, they're hiring. They're always hiring, and they hire in Nigeria, right? So you can get paid up to 60 cents per audio or video minute. You'll be a transcriptionist, around $150 per month on average. Good for part-time income, or if you have no income right now. And also top monthly earnings is over $1,200. Now, this is pretty basic, right? You'll be a transcriptionist. You'll listen to audio files or you watch video files, and then you will transcribe. So that is what you'll be doing. Also, you get to work from home. You don't have to be on the phone. Flexible hours. You work on your own projects. You get to choose the projects that you want to work on. So this is a good deal. Now, a lot of people, they come here and they say, well, Eann, this isn't for Nigeria. Now, in the FAQ section, it says, do you hire worldwide? The answer is yes. However, most people usually see this, and from subscribers, I learned that PayPal is not available in Nigeria. So when they see, when viewers from Nigeria see this, they'll be like, okay, well, I can't get this job because, it's PayPal only. But here it says, we pay via PayPal and Payoneer only. So if you don't have PayPal, if you're in Nigeria, I mean, you can't use PayPal, but you can use Payoneer. And I actually double checked this, right? So Payoneer, this is it, www.com, payoneer.com. It says, can you open a Payoneer account in Nigeria? And the answer is yes. So yes, you cannot work here and get your pay via PayPal, but you can get the job and you can apply for a Payoneer account. You can get the debit card. You can get paid there. You can go to the ATM. You can withdraw your earnings and you can get the cash, right? So this is a job that you can get from Nigeria or just about any other country. So these are two really good work from home opportunities that you can get. They're worldwide. If you're living in Nigeria, you can apply for these, you can get the jobs. Comment down below, let me know if you had any experience with either of these companies, what the experience was like, did you like working there, and how much were you able to make. So that said, I hope this info was finally able to help some of my viewers or subscribers that are, worldwide or in different countries, especially those in Nigeria. I hope this info is able to help you guys apply for these positions, land these positions, and make some money working remotely from home. And with that said, all the best in your job search, and I'll see you guys very soon in the next one.